Hello there, ladies. There's a very new concealer hack. It's going around, it's viral, and it's supposed to make you look 20 years younger. It's supposed to keep your concealer in place and lessen your wrinkles. So Scott Barnes, which is a famous celebrity makeup artist who did JLo's famous glowy gold makeup, taught this, and I watched his video and I watched the videos of other influencers, and we're using Aquaphor. Now, I'm from Canada, so I bought this from Shoppers Drug Mart. Walmart, you have to order it online. So, apparently, when you use this one, it's gonna make your concealer stick longer for the rest of the day, as long as possible. So that's why I did this today, and I'm gonna check this out every so often today. It's only $4.22. This is perfect because I have had no sleep at all. So more than 24 hours now. So looks like I'll be 48 hours without sleep later when I check this one. So it's perfect. Welcome, welcome. I'm glad you found me. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you find your better version, to help you build your self-esteem, whether it's through fashion, makeup, self-care, skincare, mental health, physical health, healthy living, eating healthy, looking good, confidence, anything that makes you feel good about yourself. I'm your rah-rah girl. I'm your cheerleader. So I'm here to help you. So send me an email if you have any questions, or if you want my castor oil list of top brands, send me an email. I have a video about that because I love castor oil. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Actually, I just bought this yesterday because I was so excited. I found it in Shoppers and I could not sleep. So this is what I did this morning. This one is if you want to actually keep your concealer in place, and if you don't want to have so many wrinkles the entire day. And also, Scott Barnes says it can make you look 20 years younger. Well, warning though, because this is only for special occasions, like if you have a special event, you're going to attend a wedding or things like that, because doing this regularly may cause milia. This is from the comments of people who have commented on videos of these YouTube influencers that I've watched. I always look out for warnings, or, you know, what's the hook? There's got to be something that we need to know of. You can still remove them using exfoliation, but you know, you don't want those little things forming under your eyes especially. So I'm going to try this on my eyes because I have very dark circles and wrinkles under my eyes. So I'm going to use concealer to conceal them and see if it's going to last during the day, and try to see if we're seeing any difference or if we're actually seeing the concealer stay. So this is good if you're like you didn't sleep well or you've been crying overnight and you need a concealer. Then now is the time for this hack to take place, right? It's selling for $5 Canadian, but if you buy the 2-pack, it costs $7.99. Actually, it was on sale. Apparently, Shoppers doesn't know that this is viral now, so lucky for me, lucky for me. Okay. So, as everyone did, I have already put my toner, my moisturizer, my sunblock. I fixed my brows and put shadow there, and my base foundation, but only here and here, nothing here. So it's just the moisturizer on here. It's the first time I'm using this. I'm gonna smell. Well, no smell. Use this one this way. Oh, it's actually thick. Let me just. This is a lip balm. Would you believe we can put it on our eye area? Okay. You see this under my eye? I think this is some, you know, like fat or, I don't know, lymph. I don't know. So that's why I've started to use gua sha. Scott does it this way, or some ladies, but I don't want doing it this way because for me, it feels like it's stretching the skin. So I just want to do one direction. It's already stretching it, you know, but I like that it's shiny actually. It's like a highlight. Now we're going to put concealer. I have 2 concealers actually. My favorite, which is the lighter one, Charlotte Tilbury, which my daughter gave me. And the darker shade, which is Best Skin Ever by Sephora. Some of the products I'm using here, you can buy on Amazon. The links are underneath in my description. This Sephora product, you can buy directly from the Sephora website. So I'm first going to put this light one. See, look at that, right? Okay. This one is what I use. It's a little slanted for my concealer. So this is perfect because I have not slept at all. I mean, the effect of the lip balm is actually smoothening. I'm able to apply my concealer very smoothly and evenly. But then again, warning, don't do this every day because of Milia. So this hack is about seeing if my concealer is going to stay. Oh my gosh, look. Wow. You remember that big fat lump? It's not even showing. Look, it's lessened. Can you see? There. There's the shade. Oh my gosh, one second. There's an effect already. Scott Barnes says you have to use a specific, it's a Maybelline kind of powder, but because I was in such a rush to try this, I just bought the Aquaphor and I forgot to buy the powder. So I'm going to have to use whatever powder I have, which is good because then we're just really focusing on the lip balm and see how effective it is, even if we don't use the powder that he suggested, right? So it's so old, I can't even read the name. You can tell I don't really use loose powder. Maybe this will set it or something. Okay. We're using our bronzer. I love CoverGirl. First of all, it's cheap. It doesn't harm my skin at all. Just to emphasize my cheekbones wherever they are. I just had this makeup tutorial video that I posted earlier, and I hope you've seen that. Well, I like that the concealer is actually really staying because that's the goal for this hack. Okay, I'm just gonna show that. Okay, see? Oh my gosh, you are so right. Oh, darn it. Wow. This is like an effect. This is not going to actually make your wrinkles shrink. It'll just make you look like you have less wrinkles. The reason why we cannot use this every day, this kind of hack, is because this is thick because it's meant for our lips, which are thicker, our skin, right? And the skin under our eyes are very thin. So that's why we don't want to use this every day. Only when you have special occasions. Well, I am hosting a huge event. It's the 16th anniversary celebration of a long-running foundation, charity organization, and they've asked me to be their anchor woman. I'm co-anchoring with a gentleman. We're going to do interviews on the red carpet, and I love these things. I love doing interviews. One of these days, I will start featuring ladies who have stories to share because I want you to learn from everyone. So if I can feature some ladies who have stories to share, then everybody's going to learn from these ladies and everyone is going to be inspired. Well, if you're liking this episode, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'll subscribe. It's free to subscribe and the lessons you learn from me are free. I do a lot of research, and when I do that, sometimes I create my own resources and PDF files. And I share them with you, like my list of castor oil brands that I researched on. So I'm sharing PDF files. So I hope you share. I hope you like this video. And I'll see you again in a little bit. and we'll see how this concealer is gonna stay.
Cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie. Sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises.
Okay, it's 8:02 in the morning, so
No, I'm can't she got no go ahead. No, you thought that I would always stay. But
you
you thought
go.
I'd be yours and she got my mind on nobody.
okay, it's 1:51 p.m. and I'm getting ready to do my gym. And so this is the one. It's untouched. Actually, it's already, makeup is gone. So far, so good. Well, it's 1:56 p.m. and so this is what we have right now. Still looking good. Oh my gosh. Actually, this is like less even. Wow, how nice if it's gone. I wish my gua sha stone better work. This one doesn't have, but see, it's still nice. I think I'm ready. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put whatever is this Aquaphor on the 15th because I'm hosting, and so I want my concealer to stay. I wonder if I should put all over my face. I'll probably use up the entire tube, but good idea. Again, just a reminder, only during special occasions because it can cause milia. Okay, we don't want harmful effects. We want the beautiful effects. So if the harmful effects will take over the beautiful, no. Forget it. Forget it. Right? Okay, well, I hope it'll work for you as good as it worked for me. I've seen others where it really works so well, but I'm happy the way I see it. You might even be able to do it better than me. So let me know, try it. And you know, it's $5, $6. Definitely worth it because we need a lip balm anyway. Right? So my eyes are still very strained because I have no sleep. But I'm going to take my 4th cup of coffee soon. Do you like your coffee black? I like mine with cream and stevia. Stevia. Sweetener. Otherwise, I'll have tea. Okay? Take care. I hope you follow me on my social media platforms. Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on social media. We are here for each other. We're here to fix each other's crowns, and that's what my platform is for. We gather here and boost each other's morale. Take care. I love you all, and I appreciate you all. Bye for now.
Someone tell me